everyone, Carmine from New York here. This is photo class number 560. Yes, indeed. This is the AKASO Brave 4 Pro action camera. Is it like a GoPro? Well, we're going to find out. As you know, these AKASO action cameras have come down in price. For example, right now this AKASO is $89 new with like 25 accessories on Amazon, but you could find it for $60 on eBay. Both used and new. Very good price. Very excellent price. With the case that goes around it for underwater, you can go over like 130 feet deep. Now, why did I get this one? Okay, well, the reviews were great, a lot cheaper than a GoPro, like 60% cheaper than a GoPro. But it has a front-facing camera. You just hold in the M button, and now you've got a front-facing camera. So that's why I bought this. So I was thinking, what if I did an episode just on the still photography feature that's in this camera? A lot of people don't talk about it. We're going to talk about it today. I've got like 25 photographs that I just took today that I want to show you, and I hope you agree that they're very, very good. Let's just go over a few facts about this camera. In the video mode, it does shoot 4K, 30 frames per second. The photography still camera is a 20 megapixel camera. It has IBIS, in-body image stabilization, 6-axis gyroscope to keep the photographs and the video steady. Dual screens, like I just mentioned. The field of view wide open, super wide I should say, is 170 degrees. It takes one micro SD card right there. Usually comes with 2 batteries and a charger. Let's see. So the settings for photography, I want to go over that. Let me change my glasses. And what we'll do is we will go into the menu. Okay, so on the back, right, you just press this, and it gives you all the modes. Sorry, it just gives you all the modes. Movie mode, still photos, burst photo, time-lapse video, time-lapse photos, and your Wi-Fi, all right? So we'll X out of that. Now we're going to go to, we'll press photo. Okay, now we'll press the little gear. Okay, now this is the menu. I'll just go through it to show you what settings I use for the photographs you're about to see. First one, resolution, 20 megapixels. Next, exposure value, the EV, 0. I did not adjust it's exposure compensation. The meter, I used average. That's the light meter. Next, sharpness, keep it on normal. Keep it on normal. I found all these settings through trial and error. Next, the ISO, keep it on auto. The date stamp, you don't want the date on all your photographs. Keep that off. Now, okay, so now you see that I got all that by clicking the little gear, but now you'll see there's another little gear you could press for more options on the menu. Special effects, keep that at normal. You have a black and white mode too. White balance, automatic. The microphone for the video, you have your choice of using the built-in microphone or an external one that plugs in.
This is the video quality of the AKASO Brave 4 Pro. This is the built-in mic. It's an arm's length away. I'm underneath this bridge. It's a very popular fishing bridge.
Okay, now, having said all of that, you get to look at me 2 times. Having said all of that, do I recommend the AKASO Brave 4 Pro for still photography? Absolutely. A pocket camera, prove it. Pocket camera, you can take anywhere, and you can have a 20 megapixel still camera or a 4K video camera with you at all times, 2 batteries. So grab some popcorn, enjoy the photographs taken with an action camera. Subscribe, comment below, hit the thumbs up button, roll the tape.